If you try to start the game, okay, you will notice that the platforms are rendered on the screen, but as the player moves to the right, the platform does not move with it. Okay, it seems there is no collision of our platform, which is this one. To fix this issue, you will need to update the platform's X position as the player moves across the screen. Inside the animate function, um, where is it? Oh, there it is. We are already inside the animate function. Add a condition to check if the right key was pressed. Okay, so we would have an if condition here. A parenthesis opening and a closing inside would be the condition. The condition would be the pressing of the right key. And if we navigate on our keys, is that would mean we would have to access this nested object. So we would have to access the keys first, and then the property right key, and then the pressed. And also, if the right key is pressed, end it says. So we would have an end operator here. The is checkpoint collision detection active is true. So is action is checkpoint rather. We would just have to copy paste it. Oh, there it is. So let's see if we have that variable. So we do have a variable called is checkpoint collision detection active, and it is already set to true. So we don't need to use a strict operator to indicate that is it true or not. So we would just leave it like here. So that would be it. Nice.